Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you interested in creating and selling online courses, but don't have the expertise to do so? In this video, I'm going to show you a secret method that will help you create and sell online courses without any prior knowledge or experience in the subject matter. Many people believe that you need to be an expert in a particular field to create and sell online courses, but that's simply not true. With the method that I'm going to share with you today, you can create courses on any topic that interests you, regardless of your level of expertise. So, whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking to earn some extra income, a recent graduate looking to build your portfolio, or simply someone who wants to share your knowledge and passions with the world, this video is for you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the secret method that will help you create and sell online courses without any prior expertise. Step 1. Determine your course topic. The first step is to determine the topic of your course. You can choose any topic that interests you and that you have some basic knowledge about. Remember that the goal is to create courses without expertise, so don't worry if you're not an expert on the topic. Step 2. Now let's get to the most interesting part. We create our own course, even if we have no idea about the chosen topic. The next step is to use GPT chat to create course content. GPT is a language model that can generate text based on the input you give it. Start by creating an outline of your course and then use GPT chat to fill in the details. You can also skip the first step and just ask the chat for topics for the course that will be successfully sold. This will make it much easier for you to choose. Before you start to create a course, it's important to have a clear outline of your course. This will create a plan for further work. Ask GPT to create an outline of your course on chosen topic. Step 3. Use GPT chat to disclose each item in detail to create a full-fledged lesson. Once you have the course plan generated by GPT chat, you can start using it to create individual lessons. Input each item in the course plan into the chat platform and ask it to generate content for each one. The chat will generate a response based on your input. Review the generated content and see if it fits with your course plan. If not, you can input a new question or statement to get a different response. Once you have the content for each lesson, you can organize it into a logical order and add any necessary multimedia elements such as videos, images, and quizzes. Courses can also be sold in text format in the form of guides. If you decide to sell them in text format, neural networks that create presentations such as Slides AI, Zuru, and Slidebean will also help you, but keep in mind that video courses generate more sales. So don't be lazy and record lessons or hire people who will do it. Remember to edit and refine the content to make it clear, concise, and easy to understand. By using GPT chat to create your course content, you can quickly generate ideas and flesh out your course without needing to have expertise in the subject matter. However, it's important to keep in mind that the generated content may not always be perfect and may require additional editing and refinement to fit your course plan. Step 4. Choose a learning marketplace to sell your course. Now that you have created your course content, it's time to choose a learning marketplace to sell your course. Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable are some of the most popular marketplaces for selling online courses. Choose a marketplace that is a good fit for your course topic and target audience. Here is some additional information about each of these popular learning marketplaces. Udemy is a popular platform for selling online courses on a variety of topics, including business, technology, and personal development. They offer a wide range of features for instructors, including the ability to create and publish courses quickly, set their own prices, and access a large audience of learners. Udemy takes a commission of 3% on organic sales and 50% on sales generated through their promotional tools. Coursera is a platform that specializes in offering academic courses, with a focus on subjects like computer science, data science, and language learning. They work with top universities and organizations to offer high-quality courses and certificates to learners around the world. Coursera offers a revenue share model, where instructors receive a percentage of the revenue generated by their course sales. Teachable is a platform that offers a range of features for instructors, including the ability to create and sell online courses, build a website, and manage student enrollment and payments. They offer a variety of pricing plans, ranging from a free plan to a professional plan that includes advanced features like quizzes, certificates, and affiliate marketing. Teachable takes a commission of 5% on sales, in addition to payment processing fees. When choosing a learning marketplace, it's important to consider the type of courses that are popular on each platform, as well as the commission structure and other features. For example, if you're creating a course on a technical subject like programming, Udemy might be a good fit because they have a large audience of learners interested in those topics. If you're creating a more academic course, Coursera might be a better fit because they specialize in working with universities and organizations to offer high-quality courses and certificates. Ultimately, the choice of platform will depend on your specific needs and goals as an instructor. If none of these platforms is suitable for you or you want to accommodate the maximum number of sites, then consider such platforms as Skillshare is an online learning community that allows anyone to teach and learn creative skills. Thinkific is a platform that allows you to create, market, and sell your own online courses. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create, market, and sell online courses, membership sites, and digital products. LearnWorlds is a cloud-based learning management system that allows you to create and sell online courses. Podia is an all-in-one platform that allows you to sell digital products, online courses, and memberships. Step 5. Create and publish your course. The next step is to create and publish your course on the learning marketplace you have chosen. Most learning marketplaces have easy-to-use course creation tools that will guide you through the process of creating and publishing your course. Step 6. Promote your course. Once your course is live on the learning marketplace, it's time to start promoting it. Use social media, email marketing, and other online channels to promote your course to your target audience. Promoting your course on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable requires a slightly different approach than promoting it on social media or email marketing. Here are some tips on how to promote your course on these platforms. Optimize your course listing. Ensure that your course title, description, and tags are optimized for search engines within the platform. This will increase the visibility of your course and attract more potential customers. Use promotional tools. Many learning marketplaces offer promotional tools to help you increase the visibility of your course. For example, Udemy has a promotional announcement tool that allows you to send out notifications to your students, and Teachable has a built-in affiliate program that can help you reach a wider audience. Offer discounts. Offering discounts on your course can entice more learners to enroll. Many platforms allow you to set up promotional pricing for a limited time, which can help drive sales. Engage with your students, respond to student questions and comments promptly, and provide helpful feedback. This can help build a positive reputation and encourage students to leave positive reviews. Use course previews. Many platforms allow you to offer a preview of your course content. Use this feature to showcase the value of your course and entice learners to enroll. Leverage email marketing. If the platform allows it, use email marketing to communicate with your students and promote your course. Share valuable content, offer exclusive discounts, and encourage students to leave reviews. Collaborate with other instructors in your niche and cross-promote each other's courses to reach a wider audience within the platform. By utilizing these strategies, you can effectively promote your course on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable and increase your sales and visibility within the platform. Remember to stay engaged with your students and always provide high-quality content to establish yourself as an expert in your field. In conclusion, creating and selling online courses is an excellent way to share your knowledge and expertise while earning a passive income. With the help of GPT chat and popular learning marketplaces like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable, you can create and sell online courses even if you don't have any expertise in the subject matter. Remember, the key to success in this industry is creating high-quality content and effectively promoting your course to your target audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and other promotional strategies to attract learners to your course. With hard work, persistence, and the right promotional strategy, you can create a successful online course and make a significant impact in the lives of your learners. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and promoting your online course today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.